development without sacrifice. I must confess to you that the government decided that this thing has no economic value to our kingdom. They said they needed to pull it down so that another world-class shopping complex will be erected therein. The dexterity of our amiable Governor Orimisan Ayedatiwa, who is a caring heart governor, who said that something has no economic value. Yes, economic value. That is the English.
Darling, I've always known you to love your people to pieces. These younger people. But look at what they've done to you. They didn't blink an eye in rubbishing you, rubbishing your memory, rubbishing your legacy. As they claim, spearheaded by Olowo Of Owo, whom you single-handedly, this is a known fact, it's no longer a secret, you single-handedly installed that baby Oba. And Lucky the Nebula ordered for demolition of a monument in remembrance of those victims massacred. The entire nation was shocked. And the least you could do was to erect that monument. Nobody, no corpse was buried in that place. It was symbolic. All these people, they travel abroad. They see what happens in other climes. Why do we do things differently? To score political point or to settle score? The Oba that doesn't want so-called cemetery, but that's not a cemetery. There's one behind his house. He sleeps with the dead. All the Olowos of Owo, where were they buried? Were they not buried in that place he's living? Look at the hypocrisy. I promise you, so long as I live, they will not succeed. They will not rubbish you. Aketi lives on. I say it all the time. Aketi eternal. Aketi eternal.
Aggressively annoyed to be calling a whole Kabiyesi Ogwaluwaye Odigo Okun Arabaribi, to be calling him a baby Oba. I told you it is erroneously bad, it is heinous, it is barbaric, it is outdated, it is rejected, it is denounced, it is accursed, excommunicated, degrading, humiliating, and outrightly unspeakable. That is why they said they wanted to continue to be causing all those who are causing problems. Omadora, Ayaro Late Akeredolu, Atoni Ilo, Obesi Chike. Odo wa yawo na odo pa agora ife ojo kan moto, itaje kan waje. Bi mo wo ni ke lo bi fun o daje.